On this episode, we're talking about the mid-year.
From recapping the first 6 months of 2023
to the things that we gotta look out for the remaining of the year.
So, tara na, dali!
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Get ready
For a gay time.
with Bex friends Mel.
And Jonah,
Welcome to
the
Bexters
Bexters Podcast.
Ano na, Bex?
Ano na?
Catch-up sesh na!
Samahan nyo kaming magchikahan.
At magbaklaan here on Bexters!
Bexters!
The Mel,
The Mel
and
and
Jonah
Jonah
Show.
Show. Yes.
Yes! Kailan ka
Hello.
tayo magsasabay?
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya niyo pa ba, Charez?
Happy
Ayun,
New Year!
Happy New Year, 'di ba? Parang every episode na lang lagi tayo may putukan.
Bago mag-record, after mag-record.
Alam mo, discreet na nga ako. Char!
Sabi,
Tara.
discreet pa yarn. Chares.
Oo, charis. Pero ano na sa amin, parang routine. Chars.
With a terminate every now and again.
Uy, wag ka. Diba nung last time pinag-usapan natin yung Terminator, yung pinanood namin.
Sure.
Yung recently na pinanood namin, John Wick. Oh. Full pack action.
Oy, may bagong Netflix about kay Arnold docu about ano ba yan? My gosh, hindi na kaya ng brain cells ko yung nangyayari. May bagong docu sa Netflix about kay Arnold. Yan eh.
Ay, nako. Kailangan namin yun mapanood kasi fanatics tong si ni Arnold. So, newly released lang ba ito? Yung documentary ni Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay,
Tungkol kay
perfect.
tungkol kay Arnold at saka kay Arn.
Unang hirit, unang lugar. Char!
Arnold Clavio pala.
Correct. Ayan. O diba, ang dami-dami po nating dapat abangan. Almost mid-year na po. And syempre, before we proceed sa mga susunod naming chikahan, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng nakinig ng episode namin last time. So, ayun. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung previous
Correct.
episode. At ayun, like
Thank you
Mel,
so
enjoy nyo
much.
lang enjoy nyo lang ang life. Kasi si Mel, hindi naman niya hinintay na mag-summer para mag-boral, Kasi parang
Correct.
people tend to just have a vacation when it's summer, when in fact you don't have to be waiting for the summer to come just to have a vacation. You can take a break
Yeah.
every now and then. Oo, kahit bagyo pa yan, ilaban yung mga sis. Basta safe
True.
yung may masasakyan. Pag wala, wag ipipilit. Diba? Sa bahay kayo
Correct.
magputukan. Chares. Ikaw,
Ayan.
kamusta ka naman, Bex?
Eto ngarag. Ngarag
Diba?
talaga. Sa work,
Oo.
ganyan. So, eto,
Same.
nilalavarn.
Same nga rag din. Kaya nga meron na tayong bagong social media app, and that is Threads. Para dun ka maglabas ng yung mga bagong hanash in life.
Sige, go.
Guys, alam nyo ba itong Threads na ito? For sure, naririnig nyo na ito. Kasi it's just been released a few days ago. And when it was released in the first 48 hours, it reached 80 million users. So, ano ba itong Threads na ito? Connected po siya sa Instagram.
True.
Diba? It's owned by American technology company called Meta Platforms, which is under din ng Facebook. So,
Facebook.
si Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg ba? Tama ba yung
Aha.
ko? Pagkakatanda.
Yes.
Oh, siya po ang owner niyan. Kaya po galit na galit. Ang owner din ng Twitter ngayon na si what's his name? Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Oo. 'Di ba? Musk yourself, 'di ba?
Elon, you're a Musk.
Hindi niya po matanggap kasi yung concept kasi ng thread, it's similarly like Twitter na very chill,
Mm.
just have to post and then it will pass by. Basta hindi, napaka-low-key lang
Microblogging.
niya.
Microblogging.
Oo.
Yun yung pinaka-term.
Yes, it's very low-key. And the only thing that, the downside na sinasabi nila is, if you decide to delete the app, there's no way for you to delete it unless you delete the Instagram because it's linked together. Pero syempre, dahil nga new release lang siya, wag na po kayo magmarunong, hindi naman kayo IT, chares. Syempre may mga
Correct.
improvements pa sila na gagawin dyan sa mga susunod na buwan or susunod na araw. For sure, they're still in the process of studying on how it was, how it was used, or how it is being acquired by so many since we have a lot of social media platform. So, maging patient lang tayo. Actually, nauna si Mel kaysa sa akin sa Threads. I just saw a notification saying na Mel is on Threads. I was thinking, what's that? So, so chinek ko siya. Tapos, I downloaded the app and that's the time that I saw it. It's very similar
Yeah.
like Twitter. So, what can you say about the Threads?
Actually, kaya nila dinevelop yung Threads kasi they saw na parang pabagsak na yung Twitter.
Really?
kung
Is that the real reason?
Dahil sa mga, yeah. Dahil sa mga, I mean, they didn't say that, pero parang gano'n na nga. Kasi, after Elon acquired Twitter, kung ano-ano na yung mga, pinagagawa niya sa app, basta gano'n. Meron silang pinaka-last nilang ginawa was, kapag hindi ka verified account, you are only allowed, you will only see up to 600 tweets per day. So, pag na-limit mo yun, maglalabas doon, magno-notify sa'yo na rate limit exceeded. So, kailangan mo maghintay the next day para magamit mo ulit yung app, para makakita ka ulit ng mga tweets. Ganon. So, parang after nun, maraming tao na yung mga na-turn off lalo sa Twitter. So, I think kaya din. Pero for sure, months in the making itong Threads. So, matagal na, hindi naman siguro agad-agad ma-develop nila, diba? So, pero it's, for me, maganda yung Threads so far. Kasi parang it reminds me of how Twitter used to be. Like, nung nag-start, alang year ka ba nag-start ng Twitter? Ako, I think 2010, 2011. Ganyan.
Ako, same year with you. Kasi when I had my Facebook, it was all because of you. And the rest of our friends in college. Kasi
Ako
I'm not
naman.
really into social media naman. So, when you guys started having those apps, that's when I started also having those apps. So,
Ako naman, di ako nag-open ng Twitter kasi nung nag-OJT tayo sa radio, parang kailangan natin maging super updated, mabilis na turnover ng news.
Right.
So,
Right.
kaya yun. Kaya napa-Twitter ako. So, for that purpose. Kasi yun, na-enjoy ko na. So, yun. I
Ako,
hope
emo
lang.
ako nun eh. Yung mga first tweets ko. My God, it's so
For
high
the emote.
school.
Oo.
For the
Actually,
emote.
I hope lang yung Threads won't be as toxic how Twitter got. Kasi medyo toxic sa Twitter, to be honest.
Right.
Dahil-
Nag-iba na nga yung Twitter ngayon kasi parang you don't feel safe because, you know, hindi na nare-restrict yung mga nagko-comments din. So, ang daming hindi okay ngayon sa Twitter. And at the same time, why you have to pay from being verified?
Yeah.
Diba?
I mean,
The fact na you're giving the Twitter platform the number of users more kasi parang it's part of advertising din eh because if you have a lot of followers and then they're earning as well from you, diba?
true. Hindi, at saka ang pinaka-point ng verified kasi is to verify na you are this person. So, for example, you're a famous person, magpapa-verify mo yung account mo to say na that's really you, na hindi siya poster account. Ganon. So, ngayon, ano yung
Correct.
point nun? Kung lahat ng tao pwedeng nang magbayad para maging verified, I think kung gusto nilang magpabayad talaga, I think they could have came up with a different term for it. Hindi verified. 'Di ba?
Siguro yung mga gustong mag-subscribe, like makita ng iba pang content from the
Oo, 'di ba?
from
Parang
the
sa Twitter exclusive, parang
content
ganun.
creator. Oo, yung ganon. Hindi
Oo.
yung verify ka na nga, ikaw pa yung magbabayad. Parang it doesn't make sense and I don't get
Pero-
the logic. Ayun.
Mhm.
Ayun lang. At dahil nga, dito sa threads, mapunta naman tayo sa Barbie Land. Ikaw na magchika nito. Ano na bang updates dito? Kasi I've been seeing a lot of posts about Margot Robbie
Mhm.
um, running in the catwalk sa mga
Aha.
red carpet kasi
All
nga
over
promoting the
actually.
film.
Mhm.
She's all over and nagaganda ng mga outfits niya. So ano na ba ang latest chika tungkol sa Barbie, Bex?
Eto na nga. So, papalapit ang showing ng Barbie, which is on the 21st of this month, July. And so, ang pinaka-latest controversy around it is it was banned sa Vietnam. So, hindi siya ipapalabas sa Vietnam dahil it's supposedly, in one scene, they featured a map representing China's territorial claims in the South China Sea, which is the Nine Dash Line. So, parang yon. So, parang yung Vietnam, sobrang against sila dito sa map na to. Kasi parang pag may yung map, merong Nine Dash Line, parang it depicts na the territory is China's, which is Vietnam's claiming na it's them. Also, part nun, kiniklaim ng Philippines na ano din, parang
Mm-mm.
yun yung West Philippine Sea ba? Tama ba?
Oo.
So, yon. So, parang mayroon 3 senador sa Philippines na gusto ding ipa-ban yung movie dito sa Philippines. So, ang statement naman ng Warner Brothers dito, which is the production film ng movie, sabi nila, the map in Barbie Land is a childlike crayon drawing and the doodles depict Barbie's make-believe journey from Barbie Land to the real world. So, it was not intended to make any type of statement.
Exactly.
So,
I
yun.
don't really see any logic on how they can parang compare it to the reality. Kasi nga, it's just a movie.
Aha.
It's not even real.
Yun din yung
Parang,
sinabi ni in fairness naman to Senator Risa Hontiveros, yun yung sinabi niya, the movie is a fiction and so is China's claim. It's also fiction. Which is, maganda yung statement din actually. For
oh,
me,
totoo.
parang they can blur out the part, I guess, or pwedeng mag-disclaimer ka and bago mag-start yung movie about West Philippine whatever. Ang di ko lang gets is why are we seeking to ban the movie but don't really do anything actual or tangible to fight for the territory. Parang ano ginagawa natin?
Exactly.
Ban na lang tayo ng movie.
Why are we joining the
Diba?
clout? That's the commotion. Chares. Kasi parang
Kasi,
Vietnam lang
in
naman to.
fairness
Huwag na kayong sumali.
At ang Vietnam, lumalaban talaga sila. In fairness to them. They are really fighting for their territory. Hindi ko lang
And
alam
it's
dito
been
sa
in the
Pilipinas
history
yung mga ginagawa talaga.
And it's been in the history that Vietnam and China has not been on a good terms even before because of these claims of territories. Yeah, so hopefully maging okay na itong Barbie kasi marami namang gusto mapanood to. Tsaka sana magkaroon na din ng linaw kung isha-show ba or hindi. So hopefully ma-show pa din. If hindi, alam nyo na guys, you can download online. Hello, dami dyan. Torrent, gano'n.
Actually, we are recording this podcast on a Sunday. So, lalabas to ng Wednesday. So, hindi namin alam what will happen in the next few days. If mababan ba or hindi. So, abangan, update sa next episode. Kani. Kasi I think by next episode,
tsaka
palabas na yung movie.
Right. And then, yun, comments kayo kung ano nangyari. Kung hindi man ito mapalabas sa Pinas, anong ginawa nyo para mapanood? Charis. Nag-share ng mga ng advice, ng tips, ganyan. Ayan, so other than link. Barbie, correct. Other than Barbie, machika ko lang, palabas na din ang Oppenheimer ni Christopher Nolan. And I'm so excited kasi it's almost the same, month of showing or the release date. So,
same day actually,
yung movie
same
naman
day.
ni Tom Cruise. Oo, pati yung kay Tom Cruise actually. Ano nga ba yung movie ni Tom Cruise? It's coming out na rin eh. So, silang tatlo, nagsusuportahan naman sila. But Christopher Nolan, of course, is very low-key. Yung dalawa yung very vocal of being supportive to Oppenheimer. So, Ang dami nating dapat abangan, guys. And because marami tayong dapat abangan, siguro naman you have been a fan of Britney Spears for some time in your life. So, ano na ba yung latest chika kay
Yes.
Britney Spears? I've heard
Na Boogie Wonderland si ate.
Nadakma yung mukha ni ate. Parang gano'n ang eksena, mga sis. So, anong dahilan ng nangyari? Ikaw nga mag-chika nito, Bex.
Ito na nga, kasi nga, sa Vegas to nangyari. Nakita ni Britney, actually, ang basis ko na to is yung post ni Britney sa IG na nakita niya yung NBA player. Actually, ano siya, first draft this year, parang this conference, whatever, I don't know, basketball. So, French NBA top draft pick, Victor Wembanyama. Yan. So, yon. So, parang, syempre, dahil, he's making news recently nga, kasi siya yung top draft. So, parang nung nakita siya ni Britney, na-amaze siya na, nandito yung bagong draft na basketball guy.
Tsaka,
So, nilapitan niya, tapos, naglalakad yung basketball, yung ito si
yung
Wembanyama. Pero,
Pangit
so,
ng
hinahabol
name,
siya ni
char,
Britney. Tapos, hinabol siya ni Britney. Ang lit ni Britney, may video kasi sa TMZ.
ay ganon.
Tapos,
Okay.
actually, itatap pa lang niya. Hindi pa niya natatap yung, parang pa-reach pa lang siya dun sa balikat nitong basketball
Ni
player.
Kuya.
Binigwasan na siya agad nung, security. So, yun.
My
So,
God,
nasapak
assault.
si ate mo sa may mata. Actually, sabi nila, nag-report naman sa police si ate mo, Britney.
Dapat lang.
Pero parang
no?
wala pa namang
She doesn't
development.
deserve to be treated
And
that
actually,
way.
sabi ni Britney na walang nag-reach out from the side of the basketball player to personally apologize.
Apologize.
Parang ako lang, parang pwedeng kalma. Hindi pa nga
I
ganun
think-
kasikatan eh.
I think they think because Britney is crazy, that's why ganun na lang nila maliitin yung tao.
Hindi.
So,
Hindi,
I
actually,
think yun din yun eh.
sabi nung security, hindi niya daw alam na si Britney yun. Hindi niya nakilala na si Britney. Ako naman, for me naman, kahit
Yeah,
nakilala mo or hindi, hindi mo kailangan manapak. I mean, hindi mo, parang pwedeng hawakan mo lang, wag kang huwag kang
Kahit nga
mananakit.
hawak kasi stranger siya eh. Pwede lang niya
diba?
siguro sabihan eh. Sino ba
Diba?
siya? Chares.
Saka
Sumigalit ako. Hindi,
Ang
hindi.
liit-liit ni girl, ang tangkad ng lalaki. What could happen to that guy? Di ba? Anong
Oo,
pwedeng gawin ni
correct.
Britney dun sa, parang, pwedeng kumalma ka. This is, the perfect example of, toxic masculinity and the patriarchy
Oo,
and the
diba?
male ego. Charis.
Oo, yung mga ganyan ng katoksikan, kachipan. Gusto mo yung gano'n? So, kasi yung mga ganyang attitude, guys. Diba?
Correct.
Ayan, and we're back, mga best.
Sexy back. Ito na
Ma-achieve
nga.
ko din yan in 3 years. Charis.
Ang tagal.
Because
So,
I've been seeing our photos from the past. It's crazy how time
Uh-huh.
flies. Really, really fast.
Correct. So, dahil nga mid-year, bago tayo umusad sa 6 more months of the year, kamusta naman ang 6 months na ng 2023 mo so far? Kamusta ka?
Oh my God. It's
Wow.
been roller coaster. Char.
Wow!
It's been a
Rides
it's been a
yarn.
ride. Ang sabi.
Wow!
It's been a ride. Kasi there's ups, there's
Ups and
downs,
downs.
of course. That's very normal.
Mhm.
Ayun, so far, ang daming ganap. Meron kasi mga bagay na hindi ko din pwede ma-disclose on air. Kasi alam mo
yeah.
naman, due to
Mhm.
confidentiality. But,
Mhm.
So far, I'm good. I think I'm getting better from way back before.
Aha. Mm-mm.
What about you, Bex?
That's good. 2023 ko so far, okay naman. It's been, ang pinaka, ano ko lang talaga, ever since nagsimula yung taon, parang, paano ko ba sasabihin? Parang burnt out na ako sa work. Ganyan. I'm
Oo.
super, super, super like, I don't know, I don't like na parang, I don't like what I'm doing anymore. Parang gano'n. Kasi it gets repetitive. So, tapos parang, hindi na ako masyado nakakapag-incorporate ng creative inputs ko doon sa mga gawa. Basta ganun. So, burnout
Okay.
lang. Tapos, actually, di ba nag-birthday trip ako. It's supposed to be like, di ba? Parang nakabakasyon ka, nakapagpahinga ka, na-refresh ka, ganyan. Iba nangyari sa akin.
Did you work while you're on vacay?
No naman, hindi. Na-relax ako. I had so much fun na I didn't wanna go back.
Okay,
Na parang,
gets.
oh my God, gusto ko na lang ganun na lang ako forever. Parang ayoko na talaga doon ko na-realize na ayoko na,
You're tired.
oo, na ayoko na talaga nung ginagawa
Exhausted.
ko. Yeah. So, yun. So, ngayon, I'm on the edge of glory.
Hello, Auntie Lady Gaga.
Correct.
Take it away.
I'm on the point of decision making yun. Nagde-decide ako. Pero hindi, I'm still weighing things. Wala pa namang concrete decision. Pero yun. Sa ngayon, meron ako mga pending na work na kailangan ko pang gawin after na tong episode. So, nandun ako.
OMG. Yeah, I think it's really healthy once in a while to take a break. And then, you will realize some things on what you need to do. Like, to reset and start
correct.
again. Diba?
Correct.
So, feeling ko, Bex, it's time to have another break. And then, mag-contemplate ka ng yung final decision if you still wanna continue. Or maybe you just need a break talaga na mahaba and then you come back again. Something like that. Because at this time, we cannot really, tawag nito, take for granted our mental health. So that's very important. If it's not helping you at all, then do something to work on it.
Actually, kasi kino-consider ko din yung company kasi like at this point, I think I'm the only artist, in-house artist nila.
Wala ba silang balak na kunin ka doon sa Hong Kong?
Hindi naman, parang no need naman. Okay lang din naman ako na nandito lang.
Nandito ka.
Oo. Pero, yun. So, yun nga, kina-consider ko na baka pag iniwan ko sila, mapipilay talaga yung operations nila.
Yung operations.
So, kailangan ko din ng lead time if ever man-decide ako to leave. Kailangan, so, ayun. Pero wala, ayun, hindi pa naman ako nagde-desisyon. Lavarn pa. So far, Lavarn.
Correct, Lavarn lang. Pag gano'n naman, when you're tired, just acknowledge that you're tired and rest and then come back. Yun, ganun lang naman siya. It doesn't mean na you're giving up. You're just tired. Hello, you're not robot. So, mapifeel mo talaga na mapagod. So, yan. That's normal.
So, ang mo ba so far, na-reach ba so far, yung syempre nung nagsimula ang taon, yung mga expectations tayo, meron tayong mga plano na gawin for this year. Na-achieve mo na ba so far yung mga yan? Or is your expectation living it up?
Hindi pa. I'm still
How?
in the process of fighting for it. Actually, the issues that I'm having right now is more of the career side, so I really cannot disclose much about it. But I can say that I'm doing my best to get out from that loop. para makapag-start ako ng bago, ng fresh. So, hopefully, it will really happen before this year ends. Ayun. And so far, naglipat na kami. So, we're in new home. So, may share ko po sa inyo to at sa ating mga listeners and sa mga potential buyers because I'm with SMDC right now. So, so ayan, mas fair yung pag-endorse kasi ako mismo yung nakaka-experience. Alam mo yan.
Yeah, correct. Parang first
yun
hand
lang
yung
naman.
ano.
Oo, kasi para alam nila na this gonna be what you will be expecting when you have the unit. Because lahat naman ng amenities from SMDC are the same. Magkakaiba lang ng location at saka ng design. Pero technically, this is gonna be the expectation that you will have pag you own the unit na. So, yun lang. So far, okay na. I'm good. I'm good. Dami lang talagang pagsubok. Pero, kinakaya.
Congrats on your new place.
Kaya nga, thanks, Bex. Of course, dahil kay yan. Alam mo yan.
Pero, ako
ikaw,
naman,
Bex, na-reach ba yung mga expectations mo so far?
Not really. Pero, that's a good thing. Meron pang rest of the year. And actually, after naman ng December is January. So, I'm alam mo yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi naman natin kailangan ma-pressure sa limits of the year. Alam mo yun?
Right. And we have our own, kasi, tawag nito, we have our own timeline.
Yeah,
so,
correct.
follow lang natin kung paano natin siya ginagawa, yung hindi ka nasa-stress.
True. Pero, okay naman so far. Parang wala namang parang major na dagok. Dagok talaga. Chill lang. As always, very chill lang naman din. And that's a good thing na hindi ako masyado nag-set ng mataas na expectation for this year. Parang, ang gusto ko lang talaga is pera.
Right. Me too. I did not set any high expectation. Parang small goals lang talaga ako every now and then.
True.
What I want to achieve is like this, and then the next one is like this. Yung achievable, yung feasible.
Correct.
Hindi yung mahihirapan ako.
Correct.
Ganun. Yung mape-pressure, hindi naman ganun.
At syempre, sa first 6 months of 2023, nagkaroon tayo ng 14 episodes.
Yes! Akalain mo yun.
Kung ano-ano lang napag-usapan natin. Nag-New Year
Correct.
tayo, nag-Bride, ano pa ba? Valentine's. Nag-guest pa natin ang iyong jowa.
Mental health.
Oo, correct. Yung mga toxic family kineme. Arts,
yes, and
movies.
we also talk about arts and movies, women's rights. Ayan. So far, Bex, what's your favorite episode that we've done so far?
Ako favorite ko yung mga episode na nakakapag-share tayo ng kaalaman. Wow. Serious. Hindi, like yung Go Girl na episode, yung women's rights. Bet na bet ko yun. Kasi kasi parang nakabahagi tayo ng mga, yun nga, yung mga konsepto na kinakaharap ng mga kababaihan. Ganyan. So, gusto ko yun. At saka, syempre, yung yung Pride, yung last episode natin, which is entitled Makibakla, Wag Masyokot. Yun. Gusto ko yun. Kasi, actually, listening to it, nung pinapakinggan ko na yung episode, ang dami ko pa palang di na-share.
Talaga?
Oo.
It's okay because, limited, hindi naman sa limited yung time natin, but it's gonna be, nakaka-strain naman masyado pag super long yung episode. So,
True.
we can have another episode that is related to, the LGBTQ and equality rights.
Correct. True. Ikaw, anong favorite episode mo so far?
It's really hard for me to pick kasi lahat po ng episode na ginawa namin ni Mel, kahit na yung iba doon ngarag, everything is from the heart and we did not really rehearse for anything.
True. Wala.
Hindi rin ako masyadong nagre-ready in a sense na like 5 days before the
Oo,
episode
true.
records, yung nagbabasa ako ng ano. No, it's all about, yung intact na knowledge na meron ako.
Oo, true. Hindi, at saka mas
So,
maganda din talaga yung na on the spot yung mga pinag-uusapan natin.
No,
Kasi mas
actually,
raw.
it's really hard for me to pick, but every episode is a winner for me kasi meron siyang puso. So,
Wow.
and this podcast really is like escape
Oo, true.
from the reality.
True.
It's like my break. Ganon siya. It's like my
Correct.
break. So,
Correct.
and it's really a privilege that you're allowing us to share this, everything with you. And so far, we didn't get any feedback na negative from the show.
True.
And then, so far, I've seen in Spotify that we have 11 5-star rating. So, meron ng 11 na nag 5-star rating sa atin. So, I'm happy to see that. And I'm happy to see that we have already gained 695 listeners so far from all of the episodes that we have done.
Thank you so much,
it's almost
guys.
1,000. So, thank you so much because that's really heartwarming.
True.
Kasi alam mo yun, parang di naman namin in-expect na ganun yung magiging result
correct.
nito. And
Pero ano
it's
yung
and
ano?
it drives us more to do well.
Ano episode yung lagi mong binabalikan na lang? Yan.
Oh my God, kinikilig kasi ako sa Valentine.
Actually, I was about to.
Magiging bias ako dyan. Kasi, hindi namin siya pinag-usapan. Yung mga sasabihin niya. Wala kaming practice. So, it's the,
At saka,
parang very raw yung answers niya.
Pero,
Kaya, ang sarap balikan.
I remember kasi nung nilatag natin yung episode na yun. Wow, nilatag. Kala mo naman talaga, ang haba ng pre-prod natin.
Correct.
Sabi ko, hindi mo din alam yung question. Sabi ko, ay gawin natin to interview portion nyo. So, hindi ko i-send yung questions. Para on the
Kaya
spot
nga
yung
nagulat
sagot.
ako.
Oo. Yun. So, ganon. Kala mo
Ayan
talaga
yung
yun,
isa
no?
mga nababalikan ko na good vibes. Pero the rest, all
Favorite
of
ko
the
din yung
rest,
episode
I love
about
episode.
propeta.
True. I like that propeta episode also. Kasi sobrang throwback sa college
Oo,
lahat.
correct. Yung propeta, yung pinaglinis na si Jivine.
Correct.
Ano pa yung mga topics na
nag-birthday
gusto mo?
ka na nga.
Oo, correct.
Ikaw pa yung maglinis.
Ano pa yung mga topics na bet mong pag-usapan?
Ako siguro, siguro, I think na-share ko na din sa ito. I want to talk about yung mga tips on how to become successful, and about investment, on how you can earn more money, ganyan. Siyempre, money tayo. Friend, yun ang priority natin. Siyempre, no? Para
Asas
sumaya-saya
alipin ng
tayo sa-
salapi.
Oo. So,
Correct.
I think maganda if we can have an interview with someone who's been successful and someone who's good at investment para they can share their knowledge and then yung mga listeners natin can get something out of it and can start something new before this year ends. Kasi I'm sure maraming nasa struggle dyan on how they can start again. Kasi syempre marami namang experience with failure and everything, and that's normal. So, laban lang tayo mga Bex. Ganun lang talaga ang life. Andito lang kami ni Mel to give some tips, mga personal advice namin na hopefully ma-apply din namin sa sarili namin.
Pero, ako gusto kong
Ikaw, Bex?
kaya lang. Ano ba? Sex. Would you be ready for that?
Ang dami ko pong ma-share. Diyos! Pero yun nga lang. Baka po maligwak authority tayos ng Borwas. Kasi nga habang
Nakikinig ba siya?
nagre-record, andyan.
Weekly?
Oo.
Oo.
Pag nagre-record kasi tayo like this, I
Oo,
think he
nandyan
knows how
siya
to
on the
decipher what I'm saying kahit na Bex yung sinasabi ko. He knows how to decipher what I'm saying. So, he's really smart in that aspect. Yung kahit hindi niya alam kung ano ibig sabihin, alam niya kung paano maghimay. So, mahuhulaan at mahulaan. So, kung gagawin natin yung episode na yan, Bex, it has to be, it has to be somewhere, not here.
So, gora nga dito sa Laguna. Chares! Layo.
As if namang papayag to na na umalago ako mag-isa.
Wala siya. Correct. Ano ba yan?
Oo.
Very mudra. Chares!
Unless kung pwede, kung carry mo na habang nasa office ako. Just, diba? We can do the recording at the office.
Ano pa ba? Siyempre yung mga mga very niche topics, gusto ko din yung pag-usapan. Yung mga niche interests natin na mga ganun. Music, hindi pa tayo nakapag-episode about music.
My God, I have a lot to say about music. So, yan, pop culture
pero,
maybe. We can have an episode about pop culture.
Beauty standards. Gani.
Ayan. Sige, push natin yung mga ganyan.
Body positivity. Gani. Charing.
Ganun. Na-invite
Ano pa
natin
ba?
si Lizzo. Charis. Kala mo naman. Kala mo,
Why not,
ligal
Charis?
pag Diyos ko. Alam nyo ba guys, nag-try nga ako kay Heart Evangelista. Confident ako mag-PM. About siya sa about siya sa women's rights, 'di ba? Something like that. Tapos, ayun, di po tayo napansin. Sino ba naman tayo, 'di ba? So,
darating
yung
din tayo
pangarap na
dyan.
lang. Oo. Kaya
Darating
nga,
din tayo
gumawa na
dyan.
kayo ng dummy account, guys. Para tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-trend ng Bexters.
Ano naman ang mga expectations mo pa sa ating podcast?
Ako, may expectations that someday we can have this podcast on video. Yun.
Yeah.
Very soon. Kasi para, I think,
Pero,
we'll gain more followers in that sense. Para makilala nila tayo. And I
Correct.
think people
Correct,
nowadays are very visual. They like seeing what they hear. So,
yeah.
ayun. Tignan natin, guys. Hopefully, it can happen soon. Kaya nga, gawa na kayo ng dami
correct.
account.
Para ang hirap lang, madugong part lang kasi talaga dun yung editing. It would take time and we both don't have extra time for editing and wala pa kaming pang hire ng editor gani. So if we're gonna do it, we're gonna have to do it by ourselves and we just don't have the luxury of time to do that yet. Pero someday, maybe I don't know. Pero pupush natin yan, Lavarn.
Oo, Lavarn. So, how is the world and in this year so far?
Uy, ang dami na nangyari, ha? This year,
Kaya nga.
sa mundo.
Kaya nga, well, I'm happy that pandemic is over, though we still have
Pero,
little bit of precautions on for our safety. Pero hindi na siya katulad ng dati na haggard. Kasi guys, alam ko na experience nyo to, hindi lang ako. Yung nawala, kasi ganito yan, Bex, nasa Taytay ako, may tricycle kasi sa amin, going SM Taytay, tas Walter Mart. Ngayon, nung nag-pandemic, nawala yung mga tricycle Bex kasi nga bawal yung close contact. So, ang ending ni Bakala, walkathon sa Walter Mart kasi yun yung pinaka-close. So, pag nag-walkathon naman ako ng Walter Mart, ang haba ng pila, palang 3 or 4 lines long. Tapos, after mo nun, wala ka na masasakyan. So, what I did is I'm walking with all my grocery stuff from Walter Mart going home. Ang haggard. Hindi nakaka-fresh. So,
sa amin naman,
hindi,
ang nangyari naman sa amin, hindi naman nawala yung tricycles. Pero kasi before, pwede kang pumila, tapos 3-4 kayo na iba-ibang pasahero. Pero nung nag-pandemic, puro special na yung trips. Ang mahal.
correct. Ganun din, ayun, eventually naman nagka-tricycle sa amin, but yeah, hindi na pwede yung may ka-share ka. Kailangan ikaw lang mag-isa. And then, it's really hard to go out with your face mask. Tapos, meron pa yung face shield, nakakaloka, ang dami.
Oo,
Kasi
correct.
every time, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Tapos every time you have to bring alcohol, you have to bring the ionizer, whatever thing,
True.
to avoid yung virus. That's so funny. There's so many things that had happened from the past na now I can see that we're all getting better. And then, yun nga, nagkakaroon ng mga concerts. So, yun yung maganda.
Mhm. Ano ba may mga nangyari this year? Nag-birthday ako. So, abangan nyo, expect nyo ang birthday episode ni Bex sa September.
Wala namang magaganap, Bax. Wala akong Boracay trip. Siguro, ang gusto ko lang talaga peace of mind. What?
And then, yung episode natin, yung birthday episode, abangan nyo yan.
Oo.
Um,
Sex, charis.
Yun pala yung sex episode, yung birthday episode mo.
Charis lang.
My God, tuloy-tuloy pa
So,
din ang
ay,
gera
ang
sa
dami- ang
Russia
daming-
at
ang
sa
daming
ano.
ganap. Ang daming ganap, and then yung nangyari nga dun sa Iran, yung kay Masa Amini, kaya lalong na-drive yung force for woman life freedom. So, ayun, ang daming ganap, guys. And then yun nga, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang gera ng Ukraine at Russia. After all, ayaw sumuko ni Putin.
Correct. Nag-Renaissance tour, nag-Eras tour, mga tour, nagsimula na ulit
Oo.
this year.
Ayan, speaking of Eras tour, syempre daming nabaliw at na-stress dyan sa Klook.
Oo nga,
Kasi nga,
correct.
syempre nagpaunahan. Well, it's really sad because it's just Singapore in the Southeast Asia. Sana nag-add pa sila ng isang country para lahat talaga ma-accommodate kasi sobrang daming fans. Hindi din kaya ng iba na
Correct,
Japan kasi na-struggle sila sa visa. So, Singapore
Aha,
yung parang
true.
mas mas feasible na puntahan. Tapos, ano pa
Ano
ba?
pa ba yung mga nangyari?
Tapos, ayun,
na-
climate change. Yan, yung matinding climate issue natin. It's getting a lot hotter and wetter.
True.
Parang di mo na maintindihan.
Napakainit, my gosh. Oo, inom kayo ng tubig, mga
It
Bex.
rains so hard. Na, minsan man ang lakas ng ulan, tas biglang init. Di mo maintindihan, Bex.
True. Nakaka-alert talaga.
Parang ganito lang yan. Climate is changing. Why aren't we? Charis.
Tama!
Di ba?
Ano
Ano
pa ba yung mga
yan?
nangyari this year?
Oo.
Gusto ko yung
Ayan.
Pero-
So, another issue. Teka, tingnan natin. Ano pa ba yung meron?
Uy, si
So, nabanggit ko na yung about.
na-delay yung tour ni Madonna dahil nagkasakit siya.
Oh, really?
Dapat magtutour na. Oo, tawag nito, she was found unconscious sa place niya. So,
Oh,
I
that's
think-
really sad.
hindi ko sure kung kailan dapat yung start ng world tour niya, pero alam ko na delay siya kasi nga yun, parang na ICU pa nga siya. So, pero I think now
Kaloka,
she's
box.
getting better. Pero I don't
Oo.
think na makakapag-proceed yung tour anytime soon. I don't know.
Well, health
Ano
is
pa ba?
wealth. So, yun muna. Pahinga muna sila ni Celine Dion.
Correct.
Ayan. Tapos meron pa eh. Ito yung actually, there's another conflict. It says the largest war in the world. Alam mo ba to, Bex? Yung 100,000 were killed in Utopia. They call it Tigray conflict. So you guys can search it. This is about a civil war in Utopia's Tigray region. So, estimated ng mga na-tags, 383 to 600,000 people.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
From November 2020 until August 2022. So, ongoing pa rin siya. So, nakakaloka. Yun lang, guys. So, search nyo yun. Ako din, di ko to alam eh. But, yeah, it's the largest, one of the highlights for 2023.
May nabasa din ako na parang merong, nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Basta it's a phenomenon outer space. Solar, rain ba yun? Whatever, ganon. So, parang pag nangyari yun, parang magkakaroon ng internet apocalypse. Parang mawawala yung internet
Right.
for months to
What?
years. And it could happen within the
OMG.
decade daw, sabi. Pero NASA is
Oo.
doing um they're doing stuff naman to prevent it from happening nga. Kasi ang scary din
Right.
nun pag nawala yung internet, pilay na pilay ang buong mundo. Oh my gosh.
Oo, kasi
Yung
we
mga
have been working with technology for so long.
Mhm.
And over time, it has been progressed. So, nung
Yeah.
time na nag-progress siya, mas naging magaan yung workflow natin sa
Correct.
buhay. So,
Tsaka sobrang
it's gonna be
magde-decline ang globalization, 'di ba? Pag nawala ang
exactly.
internet, parang babalik tayo sa sa kung saan man. Charis.
Maging Flintstones tayo, guys. Charis.
Uy, pero bet
Gusto
yun
mo
for the
yan, Charis.
bet yun for the fashion part. Kaartehan
Diba?
pa din yung
Flintstones.
yung
Kaartehan ng priority.
oo, correct. And ito na. Dahil na recap na natin ang 2023, ano naman ang mga action plan mo? Action plan para sa natitira pang ilang buwan ng 2023.
My God. I think na-post ko na to sa thread. My only goal right now is to recover what I've lost for the past year.
Mhm.
And hopefully, whatever it is that I'm going through will end as soon as possible. So I can
True.
start anew. Something like
Mhm.
that. Yeah, yun lang yung simple goal ko. Na-achievable naman. So,
Aha.
kailangan lang ng patience, perseverance, and hard work. And everything should follow. And at yun, at the same time, I'm hoping that I can have a part-time job. Yung other than SMDC kasi, hindi na masyadong yung SMDC kasi parang siya, paano ba? Very seasonal ang mga ganapan. Alam mo yun, hindi siya yung constant na you can earn from it. Siya, kasi it's art of selling. And hindi naman ako consistently makapag-sell every now and then, like every day, because I have a regular job. So, I'm hoping na I can find really a part-time job. And then I could be okay once I have it. Ikaw,
Yeah.
Bex?
Like my action plan from the first half of the year, laban pa din. Laban lang laban. Actually, if isi-search mo yung natin, convo nating dalawa sa Facebook, sa messages.
Do we have the same
Ilang-
goal until now?
No. If, search ko nga ngayon. Wait lang, tuloy-tuloy naman yung recording.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy.
Kung ilang beses nabanggit ang word na laban. 611 times sa chat
Oh
nating
my
dalawa
God!
na laban. So, we keep on reminding each other to just keep laban.
Oo, kasi there's no choice but to. Alam mo, yun, kasi
Correct.
once we shut down and give up on something, it means that you're giving up on life, which is
Yeah.
not an option. Diba? Life
So,
is so beautiful to give up on it.
Correct.
So,
Also, plan ko din na sana hopefully makapag-start ako ng business bago matapos
excited for it.
bago matapos yung taon. Hopefully, oh my God, I just need time talaga. I need time to, kasi I have the ideas na kailangan ko lang talaga ng time to execute. Kasi 'di ba ang negosyo, hindi siya pwedeng sa gilid lang. I mean, kailangan front and center siya ng buhay mo. If lalo na pag starting. So, yun. That's yung plans ko for the rest of the year. And yun.
And sana it will happen knowing you. So, just give it time. And hopefully
true.
makapagkita
Laban.
tayo ni na Paul, Rogue, and you. Kasi nandito naman tayo sa Pinas. So, hopefully. Rogue,
True.
Paul.
Pero, please.
Please lang.
Lavern.
So, ayun. Ano ba since na sabi na natin kung ano yung mga action plans natin, hopefully, before this year ends, when we catch up again, meron ng improvements, no? Yeah,
Correct.
so, ayan. At dahil dyan, ano ba yung mga dapat nating abangan for 2023?
Mhm. Actually, madami dito na discuss na natin nung ating first episode, yung mga dapat abangan this year. Medyo recap lang natin na ano pa yung mga paparating from
Correct.
July
Ayan,
to December.
correct. Eh, nabanggit ko na po kanina yung Oppenheimer, so watch out for it. And then,
Si Barbie.
yes. And then, there's also Poor Things by Emma Stone by
Napanood mo na yung
Yorgos
ano?
Lanthimos.
Watch mo yung ano niyan, trailer niyan. It looks cute.
I
Para siyang
haven't.
para siyang art film. It's an art film actually. By si Emma Stone yung bida. Si Yorgos Lanthimos yung director. Ganyan. Magkakaroon din ng
Sige,
The Nun 2. The Nun is Valak, di ba? Yan ba yun? Yung tungkol kay Valak.
Yan ata yun. Oo, yan ata yun,
Mhm.
Bex. And then, of course, this is what I'm more excited about. Killers of the Flower Moon because it's Martin Scorsese and Leonardo
Leo,
DiCaprio. I'm
correct.
a fan.
Magkakaroon din ng sequel ang The Exorcist. Actually, hindi ko to alam. Kanina ko lang siya nalaman while I'm doing my research. And parang ito yung pinaka-sequel nung Exorcist na pinakauna with Linda Blair. Parang dun magpe-pick up ano nangyari after nung time na yon. Parang ganyan. Andyan din ang
And then-
Saw 10.
Priscilla, I'm not sure. I haven't seen this one.
Priscilla is a life story ni Priscilla Presley.
I see. Okay. Because
After Elvis,
she recently
Priscilla
passed
naman.
away, no?
Oo.
Right.
Tsaka diba kaka-Elvis lang.
Right. That's so crazy. And then, Dune 2?
With Timothy
Done
Chalamet
too.
and Zendaya. Hunger Games, The Ballad and Songbirds, Ballad of Songbirds. Oh my God. Hindi na, lutong-luto na yung brain cells ko.
Ako din.
The
Is it
Hunger-
still gonna be Jennifer Lawrence for the Hunger
No more.
Games?
No na, it's a prequel.
Maybe different.
Parang 10 years ba before hindi matagal. Hindi 10 years. Kalimutan ko na. Pero basta prequel siya.
Siyempre,
Long-
kailangan nila ng mas bagets. Charis.
Oo, true. Saka parang hindi pa buhay yung character ni Katniss
Katniss.
Everdeen dito sa na to, sa movie na to. Ganyan. Andyan yung Wonka with Timothy Chalamet again at The Color Purple. Itong The Color Purple is, I think it's a remake of a movie from the 60s ba? Ganyan. And ano siya, stage play din to ang alam ko. So, ang bida dito, I think, is sino to? Si Little Mermaid. Si Halle Bailey.
Good for her. And then,
Ito mga album naman.
mga album, okay. So, yeah. So, first stop is Olivia Rodrigo. So, I think the new album is gonna come on September 8.
Mhm. Sobrang ganda nung first nung debut album niya, 'di ba? Yung Sour ba 'yun? Basta 'yun. So, let's see kung ma-sustain niya yung artistry niya with the new album or whatever.
Correct.
And si lola mong Kylie Minogue ay patuloy na lumalaban at magre-release sa September 22 ang album niya ay Tension. Ganun.
Yeah, and then next is Nicki Minaj. The album's gonna come out on October 20. And of course, you have to watch out for Cardi B, Dua Lipa, and Doja Cat. That's gonna come. The
Yan
dates
yung
are
mga
not yet confirmed.
Oo, yeah. Pero, I think they're all coming this year. So, abangan nyo yung mga album ng
Yes.
ating mga pop girls.
Yes. And of course, bilang napag-uusapan na natin ito, like, diba, our topic is about the mid-year, what has happened and everything. I'm pretty sure some of you have been burned out. And the
Like
bagit ni
me.
Mel na he's been burned out. That's why he needs a
Yeah.
break. So how to deal with this burnout? How are we gonna deal with this?
Siyempre,
So,
unang-una, acknowledge na you are burnt out. Na you're
Correct.
experiencing. Paano ba natin malalaman na burnt out na tayo? Yan. Himayin natin ito.
ako sa sa personal experience ko, you would feel that like, kunyari sa work na lang, no? You don't like to get up anymore. You don't like go to work, and sometimes you're just gonna cry because you're gonna go to work. Yung mga ganun eksena. Di
True.
seryoso Like, nangyayari to, guys.
Alam mo ako,
Parang ayaw mo na, ganon. Bakit ba to nangyayari? Ganyan.
Ako actually minsan lang naman, hindi naman always, pero this happens talaga ha, na minsan, I don't wanna sleep anymore. Kasi, alam mo yung pag gising mo, oh my God, work na naman. So, hindi na ako mag-sleep.
Correct.
Gani. Pagod. Pagod, yun,
Yan.
part yun.
Yan,
Irita
tsaka
ka
yung
always.
Yeah, and then yun nga yung sinasabi ko, yung parang trauma ka sa pagpasok. Yung makita mo lang yung name ng boss mo na tumatawag sa'yo or anything. This happened to me way back in GMA, Share ko lang, nung nasa GMA ako, ayan, nagpang-drop na po tayo. Makita ko lang yung pangalan ng producer ko, imbir na ako. As in, ayoko nang sagutin. Pinapatay ko talaga yung phone. So, burnout, signs na po na burnout rin kasi you don't have any parang remorse or anything with your work. Parang ganun. You don't feel anything with the work anymore.
Pero, ayan, pag struggle ka matulog and parang nag-i-imagine ka, nag-i-imagine ka ng mga fantasy para to escape reality. Dissociation yun. Parang,
Tsaka stress eating.
correct. Yan. So,
Diba?
baka may mga ganyan kayo, ibig sabihin, burnout na kayo sa Pero kung pag wala ka ng trabaho, tapos na-experience mo to, hindi ko alam anong tawag. Baka you're
Guys,
depressed. I don't know.
Pwedeng depress, Bex. Pag ganyan
Diba?
na walang work, tas nafe-feel yan. Depression na yun.
True. Laban lang, mga Bex. And ayan, pag na-acknowledge mo na burnout ka, ano ang mga pwedeng action to take para ma-deal natin itong burnout na ito? For you?
Siyempre, first of all, I think it's very helpful na you take some time off and work out. I think this happened to me when the pandemic hit and I was diagnosed with alopecia. So, I decided to go to gym. Alam mo, it's crazy nga kasi I go to gym tapos nag-hair fall ka. Di ba? Ang weird. Kasi parang usually pag ganyan, dapat bahay ka na lang para di nakakahiya. Pero yung ginawa ko noon, nag-workout na lang ako. Tapos, I did something for my hair. That's why I always wear my bandana and everything. Para hindi halata na nag-hair fall or nawawala na yung buhok. So, yun. Workout really helps to boost your energy and to make you stronger. And it would really help you to take your mind off from what you're thinking. So, yun.
Correct. It would also help to reach out to people na parang parang pa-advise ka ganyan. Or maybe just open up. Diba? Para
So,
ma-advisean ka what to do or whatever. Open up
True.
lang. Or iba din yung nag-share ka, diba? Na may nakikinig sa'yo. Ganyan.
Oo, mahirap kasi yung wala kang nasasabihan, yung
Correct.
kinikip mo lang lahat sa loob mo. Maganda
true.
yung you have someone to confide and you trust.
true.
Ganyan.
Ano pa
So,
ba?
ayan, diba?
Organize. Mag-organize
So,
ka. Linisin mo yung space mo. Lalo na kung dun sa work area mo.
Oo, actually, stress relieving yun. Yung pag-organize ng mga stuff.
Correct.
And yung cleaning space, ayan. Siyempre, kung gusto mo ng madumi, just stay as it is. Pero kung gusto mo ng kalinisan, maglinis ka, mamshi. So, ayun. And then, another thing that could help is eating healthy. Oh my God, I'm so guilty about this because I don't eat healthy.
Same.
Recently, I've been really, really bad to myself because I've been eating a lot of bad foods.
Same.
And number one is ice cream and sodas. My God. My God talaga. Very bad.
Ako soda. Oh my God, tinutubig talaga siya. Sis.
Ganyan din dito, Bex. Lalo na yung,
Alerts.
Diyos ko. Yung
Feeling yung nga
ako,
yung,
Diyos ko.
yung pawis ko minsan amoy Sprite ba? No? Charis.
Sprite or Coke? Charles.
Oh my gosh.
And most importantly, what you can do for yourself is to take a break.
Mhm.
So, It's never too late. You can take your break anytime you want. No judgment at all. It doesn't mean na you take your break the longer. It means na tamad ka. Hindi naman po ganun yun eh.
True.
It has something to do with yourself being ready for the next chapter.
And also,
And how you can overcome the problem.
Meron kasing mga tao na they don't have the privilege to take a break because syempre, pag nagpahinga, pahinga din yung kita. I mean, alam mo yun, walang makakain. So, I guess
Right.
for people na talagang struggling to take a break, hindi naman kailangan ng engranding bakasyon, hindi naman kailangan na pumunta ka sa ibang lugar. I mean, siguro within the day, just take a time to breathe and alam mo yun, relax, watch a movie sa or watch videos online, TikTok, ganyan. To, alam mo yun, lang, stress reliever.
Distress.
Ganyan.
Ganyan.
Correct.
So, yun guys. Hopefully, sama-sama tayong umahon sa lusak.
Correct. Correct. Sama-sama tayong lumaban.
Oo, sama-sama tayong mawawala sa laylayan.
True.
Ganon. Gusto mo yung laylayan?
Oo, taro. Correct. Lavarn lang.
Correct. We're back!
Yes, we're back. And for this episode, tayo ay mag-recommend ng music. So, ito ang Hear Mo
Yes.
Taste. So,
Hear
ano
Mo
ang
na
mo?
Taste.
Recommendation of the week.
Ang aking recommendation for the week is the song Popular by The Weeknd and Madonna. So, this song is actually used in the series in HBO Go, which is The Idol. Produced by The Weeknd, of course. So, ayun. Hindi ko po maire-recommend na panoorin nyo yung series kasi I've been getting a lot of bad reviews.
Yeah,
But the music... but the music itself, it's really cool. It's like, it kind of reminds me of Pharrell. The type of music of Pharrell.
Yeah.
And Timbaland. Parang may pagkagano siya in Justin Timberlake something.
Yeah.
But it's fresh take kasi parang doon mo talaga mapapatunayan na queen of pop talaga si Madonna kasi she can still sing and collaborate with a new artist. So,
Yeah.
it's so refreshing to hear Madonna again in the track. So, that's something that you can listen to when you get a chance.
Get well soon, Lola Madonna. Lavarn.
Yeah. Laban tayo for the AIDS. Charis.
Ay, gagi. Ako naman.
Oo, nilaban lang kasi pinaglalaban niya yan before. Kaya naalala ko lang, si Ma'am si Madonna yung nagpupush about sa fighting about AIDS ha. Kaya ako nabanggit.
Okay, go.
Pero
Ayaw
wala
natin
siyang
kay...
Aida, guys.
Oo, ayaw natin kay Ate Aida. Ha? Ang aking namang suggestion ay... Okay. Throwback yung akin. Pero hindi super throwback. Tarot. Beyonce. Pero I Am Sasha Fierce na album. Kasi recently ko lang ulit nabalikan tong album na to. And sobrang Single Ladies, Diva, Ego, Halo, If I Were a Boy, Smash Into You, Sweet Dreams, Broken Hearted Girl, Hello, Radio, Videophone, Why Don't You Love Me? O, diba? Pasabog yung album. Parang nang I forgot na siksik pala tong album na to. So,
correct.
yun. So, listen na.
Sinabi ko. Ayan. pero
Ave Maria, may Ave Maria din dito sa album na to.
correct. Ayan, Diyos ko.
Ave Maria, iwas kay Aida, gani.
Correct. Kantahan mo ng Ave Maria yung mga nangyayaring eksenang ganyan. Pero yun lang naman ang point. So, also, share ko na lang din. I've been listening to, since usong-uso si Taylor Swift, recently ko lang na-discover yung Cruel Summer niya na song. It's so refreshing.
It's so summery.
Cool. It's so summery. It's so cruelly. Alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan sa mga vloggers why they make use of these adjectives with ly for everything. Like, there's one vlog that Omid and I watch. Like, yung vlogger, sasabihin niya, this tastes so tomatoey, garlicky. Parang, what the heck? Is that even in the English vocabulary? I keep on thinking why they're saying this and take note, this guy is American. Parang ako, hello. So hindi ko alam kung saan nagagaling yung mga na yan. So, kaloka kayo. At syempre,
this tastes so tomatoey, tapos spaghetti yung kinakain. Parang hello. Malamang.
Malamang tomato. Pwede mo namang sabihin, this tastes a lot like tomato. I just don't get how it can be tomatoey, garlicky. Alam mo yun.
Kumakain ng garlic butter na shrimp. Tapos this is so garlicky.
Buttery. Sabi mo, this is so buttery. Parang where that came from. So guys, clear ko lang, hindi pa po word of the Bex yung Aida.
Pero yung Aida in fairness, it's very Terminatory.
Majali ka, be.
Yung patapos na, yung mahabol pa.
Guys, sorry, napaka-random ko talaga paminsan. Pero yan kasing naalala ko kay Madonna, yung Idalus. Dahil siya talaga yung nagpupush niyan dati to fight against AIDS. Yun. So, ang dami niyang campaign about it. Anyway, syempre di matatapos ang episode na to nang wala kayong nalalearn.
Dahil deserve yung maging
Kaya Bex.
Ito ang word of the Bex.
Diba nga? So, ang ating word of the Bex ay hulaan nyo.
For the first time, si Bex ang magtuturo sa atin ng word of the Bex dahil ito sa mga favorite words niya to use.
Lalo na nung college. Alam mo, di ko din maintindihan kung bakit ko to nasabi. Or I'm not sure kung na-invento ko ba to or narinig ko somewhere. But it's gardenia. Ang favorite nating tinapay.
Pero hindi sa tungkol sa tinapay.
Correct. So ano nga ba yung gardenia? It means security guard. Diba?
Oo, yung nanapok kay Britney.
Correct. So, another term for gardenia is gardo versosa, ganyan. So, pag gusto nyo pag-usapan yung gardo na tsaka, sabihin nyo lang, yung gardenia baka masahitsong ka nagkikemero, ganyan. Diba? Para at least, discreet ka. Di ka mabugi wonderland.
Oo, yung gardenia binugi wonderland si ate mong Britney.
Correct. Very wrong.
Correct. Ayan.
So, yun guys. Thank you.
So, episode na naman ang ating natapos.
At nairaos.
Pero sa gitna ng kabisihan.
Ng termination.
At ng Aida.
Naloka ka ba?
Wow, Bex.
At least I'm promoting to fight Idalus. O, di ba? At dahil and to better fight Idalus, you have to give us a 5-star rating in our podcast sa Spotify, sa Apple, and sa lahat ng social media accounts namin. Follow nyo lang kami. Correct. And please, don't think na porket wala kayong Spotify, di na kayo makakarinig sa amin or makaka-tune in. Actually, we have episodes uploaded in YouTube. So, pwede nyo rin kami i-search sa YouTube kung hindi nyo kami makatch sa mga podcast platform.
Correct.
Ayan.
Meron
Thank you
kami
again,
sa Facebook.
guys.
Follow nyo kami sa mga social media accounts namin at Dexter's Podcast for updates and everything. And, ano pala, promote ko lang. Meron akong bagong YouTube channel for my drag.
Okay.
For my drag, it's Between Jobs. Search nyo lang. Pero I won't,
Okay.
actually, ang ginagawa ko doon, parang nire-upload ko lang yung mga TikToks ko doon. Para sa mga walang TikTok, meron kayong venue, platform to check out my stuff.
watch.
Yan
Right. Yan, I'm excited. Sige, magsusubscribe ako agad-agad after this episode.
Thank you so much.
Yes, guys. And then other than that, you can also reach Mel for any graphic designs. Alam nyo na yan. And you can also reach out to me or to Mel if you need any hosts for your events. Any kind
Correct.
of events. Mhm.
At kung may mga plano kayo sa remaining 6 months of the year to move out.
To move out and to let go of Idalus. Charis.
Pero, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes. Thank you everyone, and see you again on our next episode every Wednesdays.
Bye!
Bye.
Thank you. Always be kind. Bye!
You've been listening to Baxter's, The Mel and Jonah Show.
Follow Dexter's on Spotify and subscribe on YouTube.
You can also find us on Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
At Dexter's Podcast. That's BEKXTERZ Podcast.
If you like this episode, rate and review our show on your podcast app 5 stars.